Gatefield has launched its new health strategy aimed at addressing the escalating crisis of non-communicable diseases (NCDs) in Nigeria, where the average life expectancy is only 52 years. This strategy was unveiled at the Gatefield Health Summit 2024, themed Beyond 65. Here's the report.
The World Health Organization reports that life expectancy in Nigeria is 63.4 years, with non-communicable diseases being a major contributor to mortality, causing approximately 684,000 deaths annually. To address this urgent issue, Gatefield has launched a new strategy focused on combating the rising crisis of non-communicable diseases. Lead strategist Adewumi Emorua outlined that the initiative aims to prevent diseases such as heart disease, cancer, diabetes and stroke, which together account for 30% of all deaths in Nigeria.
What are the triggers for NCDs? The added sugar in your Coke, the excess sodium in the noodles that we all love, and the excess fat in the snacks. And so for us to reduce consumption, we need to bring interventions like pro-health taxes. We need to essentially make sure that there are marketing restrictions to kids. We want to be the generation that ends smoking, because tobacco is the only legal product that is allowed to kill people. And the third intervention is that we need to put our bodies to work. 48 million Nigerians do not get sufficient physical activity. And the fourth is that we need to clear our hair. It's very toxic. And so the fifth one is that we really need to rethink mental health.
Gatefield's board chair, Saadatu Hamu Aliyu, highlighted that statistically the average Nigerian does not live past the age of 52. This reality underscores the critical need for effective interventions to improve health outcomes across the continent.
There is a quiet epidemic happening across the world and across Africa, which the underlying factor is non-communicable diseases. Today, non-communicable diseases represent about 74% of deaths across the world, and in Africa we're looking at about over 40%. And in Nigeria today, very few of us are able to live beyond the age of 65. The reason for this summit, therefore, is to ensure that living beyond the age of 65 is not an exception, but rather the general expectation.
The theme of the conference, Beyond 65, underscores the importance of promoting lifestyles and practices that empower individuals to not only reach the age of 65, but to thrive beyond it.